Here's that favorite knife I was telling you about. This is the XA-1. I love this knife because it is compact. It fits in my pocket, whether it's a shirt pocket or my painter pants. This gets the job done every day. OLFA's been making knives since 1956. OLFA is the innovators in the snap-off blade technology. Basically, you have 13 blades, 13 knives in one knife. And you can see here, what I really like about it is the sections they have here. They're showing you right here how it can be snapped off. I'm going to show you in a second, but what I want to point out also is that a lot of people are still using older type knives like box cutters. With a box cutter, you have to take the knife apart, switch blades. I'm going to show you a real quick way that I do it. And this is the easiest way to do it. Line up your edge here where the blade has a little kind of serrated natural edge. Boom, that easy. And that's what I do. I carry these around to take out nails and staples and whatnot out of wood trim. And look, I've got a brand new knife, just that quick. That's why I love OLFA. It's quick. I don't have to stop. I can keep going with my work. And to me, that's the most important thing. Always sharp means always efficient and productive. Now I just snap and keep on rocking. Saving time is always key. I'm going to show you another way it snaps off too. They've designed this piece back here. I want you to see this. This has a little slot in it. Do you see that? It's got a little slot. I'm going to go ahead and line this up again. And just like that, another blade. I retract my knife so I'm safe. And then I just snap this baby in and we're ready to go again. It's really that easy. I love the simplicity of it. It's beautiful. OLFA. Thanks, OLFA.